Mabuhay Madayaw. I'm Alvin Janel Presyo.
Mabuhay Madayaw, I am Jun RPC Baguio.
Hi everyone, Mabuhay Madayaw, I'm Ms. Reza Fuentes.
Mabuhay Madayaw, I am Christian Isidra, and we are from HITD.
This is our video presentation
For our preliminary exam in Events Management in C3.
And for today's video is we will gonna answer 4 questions given by Sir Eric.
So the first question is, give at least 5 reasons why clarity of objectives is important in events management. So I am gonna answer first the one of the 5 reasons. So for me, it ensures effective event planning and execution. So clarity of objective is crucial in events management because it provides a clear direction and focus for the entire planning process. So when the objective is clear, event planners can design an event that meets the specific needs and goals of the stakeholders, whether it's to educate, entertain, inspire, or encourage. A clear objective also helps events planners to prioritize tasks, allocate resources, and make decisions that align with the event's overall purpose. This ensures that every aspect of the event, from logistics to marketing, is working together to achieve the desired goal. So, furthermore, clarity of objective enables event planners to create a comprehensive event plan that outlines specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, which is the SMART goals. This plan serves as roadmap for the entire event team, ensuring that everyone is working towards the same objective and that the event is executed flawlessly. So, for instance, if the objective of an event is to launch a new product, the event planner can decide that the event showcases the products, features, and benefits, and provides opportunities for attendees to experience the product firsthand, and includes a clear purchase of the product. So by having a clear objective, the event planner can create an event that is tailored with the specific needs of the stakeholders and achieves the desired outcome. So that is the first reason in the 5 reasons. So next will be,
So I will be gonna answer the second reason why clarity and objective is important. So this is the number 2 reason why clarity and objective is important. It enhances attendee experience and engagement. Clarity of objective is also essential for creating engaging and memorable attendee experience. When the objective is clear, event planner can design an event that meets the specific needs and interests of the attendees, whether it's to educate, entertain, or to inspire them. A clear objective also enable events planner to create a cohesive and consistent event brand that resonates with the attendees. This includes developing a compelling event concept, creating engaging event content, and designing an immersive event environment that align with the event's overall purpose. Furthermore, clarity of objectives allows event planners to incorporate interactive and participatory elements into the events, such as workshops, panels discussion, and networking sessions. These elements enable attendees to engage more deeply with the event's content, but build meaningful connections with the other attendees and take away valuable insights and learnings from the events. For example, if the objectives of an event is to educate attendees about a specific topic, the event planner can design an event that includes interactive workshop, expert keynote speaker, and networking session by having a clear objective. The event planner can create an event that is tailored to the specific needs and interests of the attendees and that provides a valuable and memorable experience. And that is the example of my clarity and objectives. That's why it is important. So let's proceed to the number 3, why clarity and objective is important.
This is the third reason. Number 1, facilitates effective budgeting and resource allocation. Clarity of objections is also critical for effective budgeting and resource allocation in events management. When the objective is clear, event planner can allocate resources and budget more efficiently, ensuring that every dollar that is spent aligns with the events cover a focus. A clear objective also enables event planners to prioritize setting on the most critical elements of the events, such as venue selection, catering, and audiovisual events. This ensures that the event is executed flawlessly and the attendees have a positive and memorable experience. Furthermore, clarity of objective allows event planners to identify potential cost savings opportunities and to negotiate more effectively with vendors and suppliers. This can help reduce costs, improve profitability, and enhance the overall return on investment of the event. For the instance, if the objective of an event is to launch a new product, the event planner can allocate a large budget for marketing and promotion to ensure that the event attracts a large target audience. By having a clear objective, the event planner can make informed budgeting decisions that align with the event's overall purpose and that maximize the ROI.
This is the fourth reason. Enables accurate measurement and evaluation of event success. Clarity of objective is also essential for accurate measurement and evaluation of event success. When the objective is clear, event planners can establish specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals that align with the event's overall purpose. A clear objective also enables event planners to develop effective evaluations, metrics, and tools, such as surveys, feedback forms, and RO1 analysis. These metrics and tools provide valuable insights into the event success, highlighting areas of strength and weaknesses and identifying opportunities for improvement. Furthermore, clarity of objective allows event planners to compare the actual outcomes of event with the intended outcomes, providing a clear understanding of the event's overall impact and effectiveness. This information can be used to refine and improve future events, ensuring that they meet the evolving needs and expectations of the stakeholders. For example, if the objective of an event is to educate attendees about a specific topic, the event planner can establish metrics such as attendance numbers, feedback ratings, and post-event surveys to evaluate the event success. By having a clear objective, the event planner can accurately measure and evaluate the event success and make informed decisions about the future events.
So sa fifth reason kay para sa kuha na kay ang fifth reason na importante ang planning ang objective kay for coordination within the event or the event planning kay mura siya ka ng pag namo kay coordination para sa kuha kay easy na kayo ang flow sa event like kung sa'y dagan, kung sa'y kailangan magpugod, kung sa'y kailangan usbod, or anything, kay ma-allocate na yun siya within very fast kay syempre na may coordination. Ano ba siya para sa kuha?
Para sa kuha kay importante ang clarity of objectives sa kay para natay better ang decision making kay para if natay better decision making kay ang mga objectives kay makuha siya to siya tarong and also mabuhat na to siya kay basta natay mga decision making magod mo siya ang importante when it comes sa management kay para maging successful ato nga na briefing na ang mga kauban and also but yourself kung wala na ka kung sa ang iyang mga tulong nato so mao siya para sa kuha ang importante.
Para sa inyo po, klaro dyan dapat karoon nato bilang pala sa ato buhat ng tanan at isa ito ang sa television batal-batal. Kaya, kaya mo na pagpapalik na nasa bomba, kaya na siya, kailangan na siya
For me is dapat as a team, we need coordination for para dali ang atuang matulong ba para mas wapo ang tulong sa atuang ginabuhat.
Di ba na may gihatag si Sir sa tuwa nga events each assigned event? Di ba kailangan matawag yung objective? Ikaw, Jay, ano sa mga?
For me, ako ang isa ako ang event is 50th birthday. So ang objective sa ako is to ma-celebrate ang yung birthday yung maisag sila tahay ma-reunite sila ang family and palipay ang nag-birthday and
Sa kuha kay Company Foundation Anniversary, man ako nabulutan. So, ang objectives dyan na niya is i-celebrate ang ano sa siya namog na and also i-celebrate po also ang ilang successful kay para what I mean is gina-celebrate siya para sila mga successor po mo to siya.
Ako kay, ang objective na ko kaya ako ang choose, ako ang event is team building. Ako ang main objective dyan kay, of course, to promote camaraderie at job, ay kala po, para promote yung job performance kay, syempre, may kong tao team building kay, bakit ka na nakatagod o break time sa mga parang employees sa isang company. So, ako ang pinahiling kay kanang maligo sila and kasi free time, especially kay that nila ang lectures. Sa
Events na nasa kuha kay vlogs. So, one is one na is mindset. Kasi sila sa events mo na hatad na sila para sumay mo ba
And I think na answer na naman ang question number 1.
So that's the question number 1. So the question number 2 is, give at least 5 reasons the importance of mission, vision, and values in events management. So the first reason and the 5 reason is it provides direction and focus for event planning and execution. So the mission, vision, and values, or the MVP of an organization, play a crucial role in events management by providing direction and focus for event planning and execution. So the MVV serves as guiding framework for events planners, ensuring that every aspect of the event, from concept to execution, aligns with the organization's overall purpose and objectives. So, a clear MVV statements helps events planners to make informed decisions about event concept, format, content, and logistics, ensuring that the event meets the specific needs and goals of the stakeholders. So, this, in turn, enables event planners to create an event that is tailored to the organization's unique identity, culture, and values. So, furthermore, the MVV statements provides a shared language and framework for communication among event stakeholders, including event planners, vendors, suppliers, and attendees. So this ensures that everyone involved in the event is working towards the same objectives and is aligned with the organization's overall mission, vision, and values. For instance, if an organization's mission is to promote sustainability and environmental responsibility, the event planner can design an event that incorporates eco-friendly practices, sustainable materials, and environmentally responsible logistics. By incorporating the organization's MVV into the event planning process, the event planner can create an event that is authentic, meaningful, and aligned with the organization's overall purpose. So the importance of MVV in events management cannot be overstated. By providing direction and focus for event planning and execution, MVV ensures that events are aligned with the organization's overall strategy and objectives. This, in turn, enables events to achieve their intended goals and outcomes while also enhancing the organization's reputation and brand. So in addition, MVB helps event planner to navigate complex decision-making scenarios such as choosing between competing events, concepts, managing events, and resolving logistical challenges by referring to the MVB statement. Event planners can ensure that their decision align with the organization's overall purpose and objectives. So moreover, MVB provide a framework for event planners to evaluate event success and impact by establishing clear metrics and benchmark. Event planners can access whether the event has achieved its intended goals and outcomes and make informed decisions about future events. So in conclusion, the importance of MVB and events management lies in the ability to provide direction and focus for event planning and execution. By incorporating MVB into the event planning process, event planners can create events that are aligned with the organization's overall strategy and objectives, achieve their intended goals and outcomes, and enhance the organization's reputation and brand. So that is the first reason, which is to provide direction and focus for event planning and execution. So next is,
So I will gonna proceed to the number 2, why vision, mission, and values is important. So it is enhance brand identity and consistency. The MVB state also plays a critical role in enhancing brand identity and consistency in events management. The MVB serves as the foundation for the organization brand, providing a clear and compelling narrative that communicates the organization, purpose, values, and mission. A clear MVB statement helps events planner to create an events brand that is consistent with an organization's overall brand identity. This includes developing event branding, marketing materials, and events content that reflects the organization's unique personality, tone, and style. Furthermore, the MVB statements provide a framework for events planner to make a decision about events for sponsorship, partnership, and collaboration by ensuring that the event's partnership and collaboration align with the organization's MVB. Event planner can maintain brand consistency and integrity while also enhancing the overall event experience. For example, if an organization values includes innovation, creativity, and community engagement, the event planner can design an event that incorporates workshop and community outreach program by incorporating the organization MVB into events branding and marketing process. The event planner can create an event that is authentic, engaging, consistent with an organization's overall brand identity. The importance of MVB is enhancing brand identity and consistencies cannot be overstated by providing a clear and compelling narrative that communicates the organization's purpose, values, and mission. MVB enables event planner to create events that are authentic, meaningful, and aligned with the organization's overall brand identity. In addition, MVB helps events planner to navigate complex branding and marketing scenarios such as developing event branding, creating marketing materials, and managing event communication. By referring to the MVB statement, the event planner can ensure that their branding and marketing decisions align with the organization's overall brand identity and messaging. Moreover, provide a framework for event planner to evaluate event branding and marketing success by establishing clear metrics and benchmarks. Event planners can assess whether the event's branding and marketing efforts has achieved their intended goals and outcomes and makes informed decisions about future events. In conclusion, the importance of MVB is enhancing brand identity and consistency lies in their ability to provide a clear and compelling narrative that communicates the organization's purpose, values, and missions. By incorporating MVB into the event's branding and marketing process, events planner can create events that are authentic, engaging, and consistent with the organization's overall brand identity. And that is the enhanced brand identity consistency. So let's proceed to the number 3.
So this is the third reason. provides direction and focus for event planning and execution. The mission, vision, and values (MVV) of an organization play a crucial role in events management by providing direction and focus for event planning and execution. The MVV serves as a guiding framework for event planners, ensuring that every aspect of the event, from the concept to execution, aligns with the organization's overall purpose and objectives. A clear MVV statement helps event planners to make informed decisions about events concept, format, content, and logistics, ensuring that the event meets the specific needs and goals of the stakeholders. This, in turn, enables event planners to create an event that is tailored to the organization's unique identity, cultures, and values. Furthermore, the MVV statement provides a shared language and framework for communication among event stakeholders, including event planners, vendors, suppliers, and attendees. This ensures that everyone involved in the event is working towards the same objectives and is aligned with the organization's overall mission, vision, and values. For instance, if an organization's mission is to promote sustainability and environmental responsibility, the event planner can design an event that incorporates eco-friendly practices, sustainable materials, and environmentally responsible logistics. By incorporating the organization's MVP into the event planning process, the event planner can create an event that is authentic, meaningful, and aligned with the organization's overall purpose. The importance of the MVP in event management cannot be overstated. By providing direction and focus for event planning and execution, MVP ensures that events are aligned with the organization's overall strategy and objectives. This, in turn, enables events to achieve their intended goals and outcomes while also enhancing the organization's reputation and brand. In addition, MVP helps event planner to navigate complex decision-making scenarios, such as choosing between competing event concepts, managing event budgets, and resolving logistical challenges. By referring to the MVP statement, event planners can ensure that their decisions align with the organization's overall purpose and objectives. Moreover, MVP provides a framework for event planners to evaluate event success and impact. By establishing clear metrics and benchmarks, event planners can assess whether the event has achieved its intended goals and outcomes, and make informed decisions about future events. In conclusions, the importance of MVP in events management lies in their ability to provide direction and focus for event planning and execution. By incorporating MVP into the event planning process, event planners can create events that are aligned with the organization's overall strategy and objectives, achieve their intended goals and outcomes, and enhance the organization's reputations and brand. And that's it.
Number 4, enhance brands, identify, and consistency. The MBW statement also plays a critical role in enhancing brand identify and consistency in events management. The MBW serves as a foundation for the organization brand, providing a clear and compelling narrative that communicates the organization's purpose, values, and missions. A clear MBW statement helps event planner to create an event brand that is consistent with the organization's overall brand identifier. This includes developing branding, marketing, materials, and event content that reflects the organization's unique personality, tone, and styles. Furthermore, the MVP statement provides a framework for event planner to make decisions about events, sponsorship, partnership, and collaboration. By ensuring the events, partnership, and collaborations align with the organization's MDB, events planners can maintain brand consistency and integrity while also enhancing the overall events experience. For example, An organization's values include innovation, creativity, community, engagement. The event planner can design an event that incorporates interactive installations, creative workshops, and community outreach programs. By incorporating the organization's MVP into the event's branding and marketing process, the event planner can create an event that is authentic, engaging, and consistent with the organization's overall brand identified. The performance of MVP in enhancing brand identify and consistency cannot be overstated, but providing a clear and compelling narrative that communicates the organization's purpose, values, and missions. MVP board events planners create events that are authentic, meaningful, and aligned with the organization's overall brand identified. In addition, MVP helps event planners to navigate complex branding and marketing scenarios, such as developing events branding, creating marketing materials, and managing event communications. By adhering to the MVP statements, event planners can ensure that their branding and marketing decisions align with the organization's overall brand identified and messaging. Moreover, MVP provides a framework for event planner to evaluate events branding and marketing success by establishing clear metrics and benchmarks. Event planners can assess whether the event's branding and marketing efforts have achieved their intended goals and outcomes, and make the informed decisions about future events. In conclusion, the importance of MVP is enhancing brand identify and consistency lies in their ability to provide a clear, compelling narrative that communicates the organization's purpose, values, and missions. By incorporating MVP into the event's branding and marketing process, event planners can create events that are meaningful and consistent with the organization's overall brand identified.
So let's proceed to the next question, the third question, which is describe SMART. So S for specific,
M for measurable,
A for attainable,
R for relevant.
and T for time bound.
That is the meaning for SMART.
So let's proceed to the explanation. So the first in line is the letter S, which is the specific or the specificity. So it's the first and most crucial element of the SMART criteria. So it stands for specific, the SMART stands for specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. So specific refers to the clarity and precision of goal or objective. So a specific goal clearly and concisely states what needs to be accomplished, leaving no room for misinterpretation. So in the context of events management, specificity is essential for ensuring that events are well planned, executed, and meet their intended objectives. The specific goals helps event planners to focus their efforts, allocate resources effectively, and make informed decisions about event concept and format, content, and logistics. So for instance, suppose an event planner is tasked with organizing a corporate conference. A specific goal for this event might be to design and deliver a two-day conference for 500 attendees, featuring keynote speakers, panel discussions, and networking sessions, with an objective of increasing brand awareness and generating leads for the company's new product launch. So the goal is specific because it clearly states the event concept, a two-day conference, defines the target audience, which is the 500 attendees. Excuse me. So specifies the event format, which is the third is the specifies the event format or the keynote speakers, panel discussions, and networking sessions. And lastly, identifies the event's objective or the increasing brand awareness and generating leads. So by setting a specific goal, the event planner can create a clear roadmap for the event, ensuring that all stakeholders are working towards the same objective. So what are the benefits of specificity or the specific. So specificity has numerous benefits in events management, including number one is clear direction or specific goal provide a clear direction for event planning, ensuring that everyone involved in the event is working towards the same objectives. So number two, effective resource allocation. Specific goals help prevent planners to allocate resources effectively, ensuring that the event is executed with budget and on time. So number three is improve communication. So specific goals facilitate clear communication among event stakeholders, reducing misunderstanding and miscommunication. Number four is enhance accountability, which is specific goals enable event planners to track progress and hold themselves and others accountable for achieving the event's objectives. Number five is better decision making. Specific goals provide a framework for event planners to make informed decisions about event concept, format, and content logistics. So what are the challenges of specificity or the specific? Well, specificity is essential in events management. There are really challenges associated with setting specific goals that include number one is overly broad goals, which is the goals that are too broad or vague can lead to confusion and miscommunication among event stakeholders. Number two is insufficient data. Insufficient data or research can make it difficult to set specific achievable goals, changing circumstances, achievable goals. Number three or the third is changing circumstances. Events are often subject to changing circumstances such as weather conditions, last-minute cancellations, or unexpected changes in attendance. Specific goals may need to be adjusted in response to these changes. Number four, or the last, is balancing competing priorities. Events often involve competing priorities such as budget constraints, time limitations, and stakeholders' expectations. Specific goals may need to balance these competing priorities. So, what are the best practices for setting specific goals? Number one is, excuse me, conduct thorough research, which is conduct thorough research and gather data to inform specific goal setting. Number two is involve stakeholders in goal setting process to ensure that everyone is aligned and working towards the same objectives. So, set SMART goals, which is set SMART goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, or attainable, and relevant and time-bound. Number four is review and adjust. Regularly review and adjust specific goals in response to changing circumstances or new information. Lastly is communicate clearly. Communicate specific goals clearly and concisely to all event stakeholders. So in conclusion, specific is a critical element of the SMART criteria, and it plays a vital role in event management. By setting specific goals, and event planners can create a clear roadmap for the event, ensure effective resource allocation, improve communication, enhance accountability, and make informed decisions. While there are challenges associated with specificity, event planners can overcome these challenges by following best practices such as conducting thorough research, involving stakeholders, setting SMART goals, reviewing and adjusting and communicating. So that is the S, which is specific and SMART.
Ang specific sa S,
specific S, or which is the SMART, tayo sa pananalig.
Ang specific duties has a big role siya, crucial siya sa events management. Kailangan siya ito maging specific when it comes sa team, as what you mentioned sa team, sa relevant, and also kung unsa jud ang especially crucial po siya when it comes sa briefing or kanang mag-ano ta, kailangan specific jud siya kay para na ay coordination and maging successful ang events. That's why dili siya pwede, dili makompleto ang SMART kung wala ang specific. Important education.
Ako for me kay the specific kay mo siya kanang gina-direct niya ang kung unsa ang kanang ginapasabot kay panamoran. Masabtan na yun siya. Ano na?
for me, specific. Important nila sa event.
Siguro, specific, goal or then lockdown was what
So that is the S again, which is specific in the word smart.
So let's proceed to the M of SMART. So M is measurable. So what is measurable? Measurable is the second element of the SMART criteria, which stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Measurable refers to the ability of the quantify or measures progress towards a goal or objective. A measurable goals provide a clear indication of what success looks like and enable an individual to track progress, make adjustments, and evaluate the effectiveness of their efforts. In the context of the events management, measurability is crucial for evaluating the success of an event and making informed decisions about future events. A measurable good has a goal to help event planners to first, establish clear evaluation criteria. Second, track progress and make adjustments. Third is to evaluate an effectiveness of event strategies. And fourth is make informed decisions about future events. For instance, suppose an events planner is tasked with organizing a trade shows. A measurable goals for these events might be 1. For instance, to increase attendance by 20% compared to the previous year with a minimum of 500 attendees, and to generate a minimum of 200 leads for exhibitors. These goals is measurable because it specifies a clear target, which is the 20% increase in attendance, provides a clear baseline for comparisons of the previous year attendance, establishes a minimum threshold for success, 500 attendees and 200 leads. So by setting measurable goals, event planner can create a clear roadmap for success and evaluate the effectiveness of efforts. So what is the benefits of measurable? Measurable has numerous benefits in events management, including first, clear evaluation criteria. Measurable goals provide a clear evaluation criteria enabling events planners to access the success of an event. So number 2 is improved decision making. Measurable goals provide valuable insights, enable events planner to make informed decisions about future events. So number 3 is enhance accountability. Measurable goals enables events planners to track progress and holds themselves and others accountable for achieving events objectives. So number 4 is better resource allocation. Measurable goals help event planner to allocate resources more effectively, ensuring that the efforts are focused on achieving specific objectives. So that's the 4 measurable has. That is the 4 benefits of measurability. So let's proceed of the challenges of measurability. So the first is difficulty in establishing clear metrics. Number 2 is limited data availability. Number 3 is changing circumstances. Number 4 is balancing competing priorities. And that is the challenges associated with set measurable goals. So let's proceed the best practices for setting measurable goals. So overcome the challenge associated with measurability, events planners can follow these best practices. So first is same lang po na kanina, na i-follow lang po ito, establish clear metrics, use data-driven decision making, set realistic targets, and number 4 is monitor progress. And the last is evaluate and adjust. To evaluate the effective event strategies and adjust the measurable goals as needed to optimize. In conclusion, measurability is a critical element of the SMART criteria. It plays a vital role in events management. By setting measurable goals, events planner can create a clear roadmap for success, evaluate the effectiveness of strategies, and make informed decisions about the future events. While there are challenges associated by measurability, event planners can overcome this by challenged by the following practices, such as establishing clear metrics, using data-driven decision-making, setting realistic targets, monitoring progress, and evaluating and adjusting measurable goals as needed. needed. So that is the M of the SMART, which is the measurable. So, ano to siya?
Para sa mo ang understanding ng sa measurable.
So, for me, ang measurable, so nasabihin ko siya dun siya when it comes sa events management. Kaya kung wala po ang sa ano dyan, sa SMART, importante tanan. Also, manage the M, si measurable, importante dyan siya kay measure mo na to measure na to kung unsa ka isa ka company or ang event kay para maging success yan. That's why kailangan na to para natay successful for our event. Mga siya ang for ang nasabtan.
Ang masabtan sa measurable kay from the word itself measured yung mga tagang makabulok ako asa lang po po ibang capabilities so asa lang po like dili ka makakatao not good like dara na po sa mga limitations para mga measurements ni mo like asa mao man akong kaya mao man akong maproduce mao man akong makuan so para dili pa ang expectation versus reality ba masabtan sa measurable.
Ako nga, sa imo ha?
Siguro, parang tawag ko sa parang galing ito ang tao nakakagatiban dito siya. So, whatever na issue, I manage na
So, SMART. A stands for attainable. So, what is attainable? Attainable is the third element of the SMART criteria, which stands specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Attainable refers to the feasibility and practicality of achieving a goal or object, and attainable goal is one that is challenging yet realistic, taking into account factors such as resources, skills, and constraints. In the context of events management, attainability is crucial for ensuring that events are successful and achievable. And attainable goal helps event planners to: number 1, set realistic expectations. Second, allocate resources effectively. Third, manage stakeholder expectations. Fourth, and lastly, mitigate risks and challenges. For instance, suppose an event planner is tasked with organizing a large-scale festival. An attainable goal for this event might be to host a 2-day festival with 10,000 attendees, featuring 2 performers, 50 vendors, and 10 interactive installations within a budget of 500,000. This goal is attainable because first, takes into account the event planner's resources and budget. Second, sets realistic expectations for attendance and logistics. And last, allocates resources effectively to ensure successful event execution. By setting attainable goals, event planners can create a realistic roadmap for success and avoid setting themselves up for failure. Benefits of attainability. Attainability has numerous benefits in events management, include: first, realistic expectations. Attainable goals help event planners to set realistic expectations, avoiding overcommitting and under-delivering. Second, effective resources allocation. Attainable goals enable events planners to allocate resources effectively, ensuring that efforts are focused on achieving specific objectives. Third, manage stakeholders' expectations. Attainable goals help events planners to manage stakeholder expectations, ensuring that everyone involved in the event has a clear understanding of what can be achieved. Fourth, mitigated risks and challenges. Attainable goals enable event planners to identify and mitigate potential risks and challenges, ensuring that the event is executed successfully. And lastly, increase confidence and motivation. Attainable goals can boost event planners' confidence and motivation as they work towards achieving realistic and achievable objectives. Challenge of attainability. While attainability is essential in events management, there are challenges associated with setting attainable goals, including: first, overly ambitious goals. Setting goals that are too ambitious can lead to disappointment and failure. Second, limited resources. Limited resources such as a budget constraints or lack of personnel can make it challenging to set attainable goals. Third, changing circumstances. Events are often subject to changing circumstances such as weather conditions, last-minute cancellations, or unexpected changes in attendance. Attainable goals may need to be adjusted in response to these changes. And last, balancing competing priorities. Events often involve competing priorities such as budget constraints, time limitations, and stakeholders' expectations. Attainable goals may need to balance these competing priorities. Best practices for setting attainable goals. To overcome the challenges associated with attainability, event planners can follow best practices. First, conduct through research. Conduct research to understand the event's objectives, resources, and constraints. Second, set realistic expectations. Set realistic expectations taking into account factors such as resources, skills, and constraints. And third, allocate resources effectively. Allocate resources effectively, ensuring that efforts are focused on achieving specific objectives. And fourth, manage stakeholder expectations. Manage stakeholder expectations, ensuring that everyone involved in the event has a clear understanding of what can be achieved. And last, review and adjust. Regularly review and adjust attainable goals as needed, taking into account changing circumstances and new information. Conclusion. In conclusion, attainability is a critical element of the SMART criteria, and it plays a vital role in events management. By setting attainable goals, event planners can create a realistic roadmap for success, manage stakeholder expectations, and mitigate risks and challenges. While there are challenges associated with attainability, event planners can overcome these challenges by following best practices such as conducting through research, setting realistic expectations, allocating resources effectively, managing and adjusting attainable goals as needed.
For me, kay ang attainable kay mga siya, kung nasi connection na work, katong measurable ba kay kung i-highlight mo dito ang mga kanang dili ka magpataka o kanang provide expectation sa guest kung sa mga kanang dili mo kaya ka kung hindi ka makapataas sa expectation kay para di ka magiging failure. So, hindi ako siya kanang sa measurable. Kung ano sa
For me, ang attainable as what you basan mo kanina, ang attainable is po siya ang vital or crucial roles din siya sa events management kay siya ang mag-set sa objectives kay para magkuha na to ang ma-success ang isa ka event and mo to siya mo sa attainable.
Ito, nabol ba sa oras ka na? Now, mataas yung mga po. Kasi kaya, kaya. Next is R, which is relevant. Relevant is the fourth element of the SMART criteria, which stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Relevant refers to the alignment of a goal or objective with the organization's overall mission, and values. A relevant goal is one that supports and advances the organization's strategic objectives and is consistent with its values and culture. In the context of events management, relevance is crucial in ensuring that events align with the organization's overall strategy and objective. A relevant goal helps event planners to, number one, align events with organizational objectives. Number two, ensure consistency with organizational values and culture. Number three, focus on high-impact activities. Number four, optimize resource allocation. For instance, suppose an event planner is tasked with organizing a corporate event. A relevant goal for this event is to be the host network reception that aligns with the company's strategy objective of expanding its professional network, supports the company values of innovation and collaboration. This goal is relevant because it's number one, aligned with the company's strategy and objective of expanding its professional network. Number two, supports the company's values of innovation and collaboration. Number three, focuses on high-impact activities that advance the company's strategic objectives. By setting relevant goals, events planners can ensure that the organization's overall strategy and objectives and support its values and culture. Benefits of relevance. Relevance has numerous benefits when events management, including number one, alignment with organizational objectives. Relevance goals ensuring that events align with the organization's overall strategy and objectives. Number two, consistency with organizational values and culture. Relevance goals ensure that events are consistent with the organization's values and culture. Number three, focus on high-impact activities. Relevance goals focus on high-impact activities that advance the organization's strategic objectives. Number four, optimize resource allocation. Relevance goals optimize resource focus on high-impact activities. Number five, enhance credibility and reputation. Relevance goals enhance the organization's credibility and reputation, demonstrating its commitment to advancing its strategic objectives. Challenge of relevance. While relevance is essential to events management, there are challenges associated with the setting relevant goals, including number one, limited understanding of organizational objectives. Limited understanding of organizational objectives can make it challenging to set relevant goals. Number two, changing organizational priorities. Changing priorities can make it challenging to set relevant goals that align with organization's overall strategy and objectives. Number three, competitive priorities can make it challenging to set relevant goals that focus on high-impact activities. Number four, limited resources can make it challenging to set relevant goals that optimize resources allocation. Best practice for setting relevance goals to overcome the challenge associated with relevance. Events planners can follow this best practice. Number one, conduct your research to understand the organization's overall strategy and objectives. Number two, align goals with organizational objectives, ensuring that event supports and advance the organization's strategic objectives. Number three, focus on high-impact activities that advance the organization's strategic objectives. Number four, optimize resource allocation, ensuring that resources are focused on high-impact activities. Number five, review and adjust. We regularly review and adjust relevant goals as needed, taking into account changing organizational priorities and available information. In conclusion, relevance is a critical element of the SMART area and it plays a vital role in events goals. Events planners can ensure that events align with organizations' overall strategy and objective supports its values and culture and focus on high-impact activities. While there are challenges associated with relevance, event planners overcome this challenge by following best practices such as conducting thorough research, aligning goals with organizational objectives, focus on high-impact activities, optimizing resource allocation, and reviewing and adjusting relevant goals as needed.
Ako nasabtan kay kuan dapat kung mag-set ay maghimo ka og event goals kay dapat siya relevant siya sa event mismo. Like for example kay ang event kay kana ito gusto nilang event kay about nature. So, pag imong ihatag na event, kay more related sa nature. Ikaw magpapaghatag.
Same with the relevant should. Dapat yung relevant should kasi okay. Okay, kung magpatama ko daw ito tayo yung event kay into nature tapos ito kaduan retro pa sa
So number 5 or
the
last letter is the letter T, which is the time bound. So time bound is the fifth and final element of the SMART criteria, which stands for smart, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time bound. So time bound refers to the establishment of a specific deadline or time frame for achieving a goal or objective. So a time-bound goal provides a sense of urgency and focus, enabling individuals to prioritize their efforts and allocate their resources effectively. So in the context of events management, time-bound goals are crucial for ensuring that events are planned and executed efficiently and effectively. So a time-bound goal helps event planners to, number 1 is establish a clear timeline for event planning and execution. Number 2 is prioritize tasks and allocate resources effectively. And number 3 is manage stakeholder expectations and communicate deadlines clearly and mitigate risk and challenges associated with time constraints. Number 5 is evaluate progress and make adjustment as needed. So for instance, suppose an event planner is tasked with organizing a corporate conference. A time-bound goal for this event might be to plan and execute a 2-day corporate conference within the next 12 weeks with a launch date of March 1st and a budget of 200,000 pesos.
So this goal is time-bounded because it establishes a clear deadline for the planning and execution for 12 weeks. Specifies as launch date for the event of 1st of the March. Number 3 is provide a time frame for achieving specific milestones and objectives. By setting time-bound goals, event planners can create a sense of urgency and focus, prioritize their efforts, and allocate their resources effectively. What is the benefits of time-bound? Time-bound have numerous benefits in events management, including increased focus and prioritization. Time-bound goals enable event planners to prioritize their efforts and allocate their resources effectively. Number 2 is improved time management. Time-bound goals help event planners to manage their time more effectively, ensuring the deadline are met and milestones are achieved. Number 3 is enhanced accountability. Time-bound goals provide a clear framework for accountability, enable to event planners to track progress and evaluate success. Number 4 is reduce stress and anxiety. Time-bound goals can help to reduce stress and anxiety, as event planners have a clear understanding of what needs to be achieved and by when. Lastly is increased motivation. Time-bound can increase motivation as event planner work towards achieving specific objectives within a specific time frame. Challenges of time-bound goals. While time-bound goals are essentials in events management, there are challenges associated with setting time-bound goals, including, first, unrealistic deadlines. Setting unrealistic deadlines can lead to stress, anxiety, or burnout. Number 2, insufficient resources. Insufficient resources, such as a budget constraint or lack of personnel, can make it challenging to achieve time-bound goals. Number 3, changing circumstances. Events are often subject to changing circumstances such as weather condition, last-minute cancellation, or unexpected challenges in attendance. Time-bound may needs to be adjusted in response to these changes. Lastly is balancing competing priorities. Events often involve competing priorities such as budget constraints, time limitation, and stakeholders' expectations. Time bounds may need to balance these competing priorities.
Best practices for setting time-bound goals. overcome the challenge associated with the time-bound goals, event planners can follow these best practices. Number 1, conduct thorough research. Conduct thorough research to understand the event's objectives, resources, and constraints. Number 2, set realistic deadlines. Set realistic deadlines that take into account the event's complexity, resources, and constraints. Number 3, allocate resources effectively. Allocate resources effectively, ensuring that sufficient budget, personnel, and equipment are available to achieve time-bound goals. Number 4, prioritize tasks. Prioritize tasks and focus on high-impact activities that drive progress towards achieving time-bound goals. Number 5, review and adjust. Regularly review and adjust time-bound goals as needed, taking into account changing circumstances and new information. In conclusion, time-bound goals are a critical element of the SMART criteria, and they play a vital role in events management. By setting time-bound goals, event planners can create a sense of urgency and focus, prioritize their efforts, and allocate their resources effectively. While there are challenges associated with time-bound goals, event planner can overcome this challenge by following best practices such as conducting thorough research, setting realistic deadlines, allocating resources effectively, prioritizing tasks, and reviewing and adjusting time-bound goals as needed.
So that is the last part, which is the time bound. So, ikaw, sabi na sabta rin sa time bound. Ikaw.
For me, ang time bound is similarities lang siya para sa time management. Parang anak siya. If we're doing an event budget, kailangan mo siya to, as a event coordinator or event organizer is, we need to have our time because I do believe that time is gold. We need to follow the time or the call time. That is my learning or masabtan sa time bound.
Ako nasabtan sa time bound kay mag-set ka o goals ay objectives sa imong events, make sure yung mga makaya pa siya sa time na hatod, makater pa siya sa time, dili siya dapat balikan, ay dili siya dapat abrupt na paghimo para quality mo
And that's all. So, you're initially in one.
Bukod sa ating time management, hindi lang po ang sa oras sa pagkinabantayan. At hindi atong oras kung ano sa bayan, oras sa mga bisita,
Yeah.